Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm your Ritu ma'am. Today we are going to learn about a new family word. Let's start. Okay, can you tell me which letter is this? Yes, this is letter U and U says A. And this is letter N. And this N. Let's blend them together. Together it says un. Together it says un. So today we are going to learn about unfamily words. Okay, now first word is g, un, gun. G, un, gun. Second word is the un, run. The un, run. Third word is the un, sun. The un, sun. Next word is, yes, this is fun, fun. Fun, fun. Another word is n, none. N, none. And next is t, un, ton. T, un, ton. Okay, now this is un, bun. Bun, bun. And the last word is begun, begun. Begun, begun. Okay, now it's recap time. Can you read this word? Yes? Yes, this is gun, gun. Next word is, yes, this is the run. Next, can you read this word? Yes, this is fun, fun. Next is, yes, this is sun, sun. Okay, now can you read this word? Yes, this is none. Next one, this is fun, fun. This one, yes, this one is ton. And last word, yes, this is begun, begun.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankids.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
I hope you all have understand this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.